For this month's field trip, you will be observing a specific constellation and reporting what you see to the Globe at Night campaign. Then you will look at other constellations and observe light pollution in your local area. Please note that there is a specific 9-day period each month when you can do the Globe at Night campaign. In December, it's the 3rd through the 12th. If you go out during a different month, check for your 9-day window in the link provided in the PDF below. Now, before you go, download the Skyview Lite app for iPhone or Android. It is free. You can also use another similar constellation app if you prefer. You can use your app to locate the Globe at Night constellation. For December, it is Perseus. Links are provided in the PDF to learn about its mythology, what it looks like more up close, and where to find it in the night sky. And don't forget to watch the Globe at Night app tutorial. It is found in our Tech Tutorial module. It gives you a quick overview on how to record data and report it from your smartphone. Now, during the field trip, complete the Globe at Night entry. Then use the Skyview Lite app to identify other constellations and planets. Just point and the app will let you know what you're looking at. Finally, find at least one example of each type of light pollution that's described. Use the samples provided in the PDF for reference. For those of you who want to go more in depth, take a look at the extended field trip activities. They are a series of mini experiments. You can do some on the same night, while others require specific weather conditions or seasons. They include measuring the impact of direct light pollution on your ability to see the stars and the impact of weather, location, and season on light pollution. So there you have it. You will learn about the constellations and light pollution and help with the Globe at Night Community Science Project. Have a great time on your field trip.